Now it's time for us to implement our battle. So that's really exciting. We're going to get to that in a second. But before we do that, let's test out the changes we made so far. So what you'll notice in the map view, we're able to click on a particular scene, and that jumps to the scene right in code. So we have begin, we have go left. I'm going to zoom in here. We have go right. It jumps to that particular scene in the code. Then we have our draw weapon and so on. So that makes it really easy for us to navigate in our narrative and jump to the code implementation. In addition to that, we can also simulate our narrative from exactly specific scenes. So I'm just going to move this around here. Let's click on go left, and we can click on the simulate button here at the top, and we could simulate from current. So let's go ahead and click on that.
After walking a few yards, coming charging towards you is a hyena, with teeth bared, and he is hungry. You cannot run away, and he is right on you. Do you draw your spear or your machete?
So there we have the prompt to draw our spear or machete, and as you'll notice, we have attacker being the hyena, the attacker health is 5 and damage is 3, and those were the values we had configured. And now if we click on spear, we haven't implemented anything after that, but now you're actually able to see the variables, and that the weapon chosen was your spear and the weapon damage is 3. So similarly, let's go ahead and test out our go right path in our story.
You stumble upon a wild boar, charging at you with tusks glaring. You cannot run away, and he is right on you. Do you draw your spear or your machete?
So again, that shows up, and we see here the attacker is the boar, the health is 7, and the attacker damage is 4. And if we were to choose spear, here we'll see weapon chosen as spear and weapon damage. So it looks like everything is working so far. So let's head back over to our source code and let's implement the battle scenes.